Hello again, grade sixes. This is the second part of work following Thor's journey in Once Upon a Saga. And what we're going to do in this section is we're going to take all the tours that you've built and we're going to put links to all of them on one Google slide so that we can then jump between one section of the trip to the other by just clicking links. And I'm going to show you how it's done using Chloe's work and my own tour. So the first part you need to do is go to your original work, your work from last week. And here's Chloe's work. And in the second slide, you will see the number range of countries that you had to cover. So for example, Chloe's countries was from 49 to 56. Now, you should know which countries those are. I mean, there's not a country called 49. There's 49. It's a certain country with a certain name. If you don't remember what they were, you just go and look in your work right here. And I can see that in Chloe's case, it's from Costa Rica was 49 to Chile was 56. So I'm going to go back to this work and I'm going to change 49 to correlate with Chloe's countries. So that was from Costa Rica. And make sure you use capitals at the beginning of the words because these are all proper nouns. And instead of 56, I'm going to write Chile. Now, if you don't have enough space in this line, simply make the text smaller. You can go as small as it needs to be in order to fit in this line, but don't move the lines around because this way they're all fitting nicely at the moment. So that's step one. I've checked my countries. I've found my location here and I've changed the numbers into actual countries. So now this section is from Costa Rica to Chile. The next thing you need to do is link the spokes to the actual tour. Now I can't link it to Chloe's actual tour because she's the owner of it and she can do it. Therefore, I'm going to show it with my tour that I used for the first exercise, which is here. What you need to do is you need to click the share button. And then you need to make sure that here, anyone who has the link can view is selected. If it's not, click the change button, make sure it's not on private, but rather on this option, save, and then click up here. One click, select the entire link, the share link, and then you can either do Control-C or you can right-click and copy it. What you need to do now is go back here and I need to link it to this box. Now, I want to show you what might happen is if I click inside here, and now I'm basically working on text. You can see because the cursor is going on and off. And I'm going to link it. I will find the link button here. It looks like this. Alternatively, you can find it, let me just select that again. You can find it in the insert menu. And I'm going to paste the link here and apply. Now you see what it did, it changed the text to the link. I don't want that, so Control-Z to undo. What you have to do is you have to make sure that you click the border of the shape. So it's selected, but not the text. So you see that it's basically the shape is selected. And if I insert the link now, click in here and paste and apply, now the shape is linked. And what that will do is that when we present it, once it's all finished, then I want to see where he's been to from Costa Rica to Chile, and I can click on that, and that will open up a new tab with the tour, and then you can follow that section of the tour. That's all. There's not a lot in there. It's a few kind of technical skills, but it's not complicated. I'm sure you can do it. However, if you do run into any difficulties, please let me know, send me an email or send me a message via the Google Classroom, and I will be able to assist you. Good luck, boys and girls, and I want to see all of that filled up so that we can track Thor's journey from the very beginning to the 192nd country.